What are we doing here? I'm gonna be personally flying to some DSD clients with the restorations done, ceramic restorations finished, to try them in person and finish the case together with the dentist. Basically back to my roots. So material selection is one of the main challenges in aesthetic restorative dentistry nowadays. You know, digital workflows have simplified and streamlined so many of the processes for better, but when it comes to material selection, we still need to look with our own eyes and make this artistic decision of how we want the light to work on that specific case. So photography doesn't translate this reality. You cannot learn the reality through photos, not even videos. You have to see with your own eyes. And it's very difficult for the dentist to have this know-how about all of these things. This is usually something that technicians know more about. The problem is that the technician doesn't see the patient. So it's very hard for the dentist to understand all these possibilities and materials. Technicians are the ones that usually understand all these materials. Technicians don't see the patient, so we are stuck, right? And the only way to solve this problem is to have technicians going to the patient's mouth and seeing with their own eyes the results of their decisions. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. We're taking advantage of this in-person visit, first to allow me to reconnect personally with our clients. See the way they work, learn about their wishes of, you know, things that we could do better. Just give this special customer support, interaction, feedback, learning. That is the goal, right? Can I see the patient original presentation with the photos, the pre-op photos and everything?
Yes. Oh, he has it.
He was not smiling at all, not even when they asked him to smile, he couldn't smile. But this is his smile. He didn't want to smile. Huh?
Yeah, he tried.
So nice to see you. Today's a big day. Are you ready for this?
Absolutely.
All right. This is
Pleasure.
world-renowned Dr. Coachman.
Pleasure to meet you.
All the way from
yes.
Yes. Been around.
Yeah.
In and out of dentist's office a lot, unfortunately. But
Yeah.
it's like this is.
The top was designed to allow the ideal future lower as well to happen. So
Yeah, so that's all planned out
yes,
in the process. So
Yeah.
that's amazing.
we hope
You know,
that this will be with you for many years.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
we really want to make sure that you're very comfortable. Jace came in, as I learned from the clinical team, with a few concerns. You know, he had chipping, he had strong abrasion, erosion, teeth were short. He was not showing much teeth when smiling. He was shy about it. He was not really confident about smiling in public. That's what he said. Good-looking guy, very nice guy that deserves, of course, a much healthier and more beautiful smile. And that's what he mentioned. He mentioned the word health as well. Looking good. All the pieces are here.
Good to rock and roll.
Okay. You can use this to organize the restorations once you treat them, once you condition them, to help with the bonding sequence. So while you're bonding, you can leave this like this, so you know the order. Of course, this is the end of a big process, a process that we started several months together. Everything powered by technology, digital smile design, and then reverse engineered and planned. All the way to the moment today where all the procedures are done and we have the final smile manufactured beautifully with the combination of artistry and technology. And we are here to try them in and hopefully have a very smooth process where the patient's very happy. Wow. Did you see it already now?
No, not yet.
Or so we show the mirror. Okay.
Here, I'm gonna.
You gonna-
No, better than the mirror.
Better than a mirror?
Better than the
Okay.
mirror. You don't want to lose the momentum. So, as you finish, you tell the patient, "Look, let me show you." Patient is waiting for the mirror. You don't give the mirror. Let me show you. The patient's like, "How are you gonna show me?" As you do this, the team comes here, turns off, bring in the light here. Then the first taste is the selfie video. So you turn the selfie, you bring here, the patient's like, "Wow, relaxed." Usually they start smiling for real. And then you come to the video, find 2, 3, 4 moments here, show quickly. Much better than the mirror here than the mirror. Because as you're looking on the phone, you disconnect from the feeling.
Yeah.
On the mirror, the feeling is interfering with your perception. And you're like, weird. So it's hard to disconnect.
Sure.
The same thing with mock-ups, provisionals. Every time you're wanting to get the feedback from the patient, this is better than the mirror. Every time I go for a trip like this and I come back with more experience on material selection, immediately as I come back, sitting with the team here, transmitting what I saw to them and helping us create this classification system, this decision-making system about each situation, the materials that we choose, and the quality of the result. So you start to classify the situations and connect situations with decisions, and you create a protocol that we can use for all the cases afterwards. As I said, we want to take advantage, of the fact that I've been doing this for 30 years and learning from so many dentists, and everything that I learned, I want to take the opportunity to share with the dentists at that moment. And in the next episode, he actually has a mobile lab, full equipped. Look at this. Give me a big smile.
She's like, can we make them the same length? I'm like, no.
Same.
Length.
The lowers.
No, uppers.
Uppers.